Hello everybody and welcome back once again. It's Big Al. I've got a challenge locking device here that is, it was sent to me by Chris Aarons and I highly appreciate that. Thank you so much for sending it to me. It says on the front, Lone Wolf Lockpicking. There was no kind of tag or nothing with it, so I'm guessing that's the tag itself. Looks like there might have been writing on the key on that side, but it's worn off. So that's what we got to work with. Lone Wolf Lockpicking. I don't see a number on it nowhere. I don't see a number on the key. So we're going to go with Lone Wolf Lockpicking. Yeah, I don't see any other markings. So anywho, let's see if we can't get into this bad boy. Looks like a 6-pinner. It's actually a there's a kick inside the holder, but it came just like this, so I didn't have to put it in one. Come in a little bit. Looks good. Okay, bada boom, bada bing. And it is a Schlage type keyway, so I'll drop this guy in the bottom. And my go-to picks for Schlage locks are always these. They came with the Sparrow's Monstrum XXL set. I call this one just the nub because it's barely even a pick, but it works great to at least get started. And then the next one up from the same set, it's just got a slight rise to it. I'd call it like a low rise, I don't know, but they're Sparrow's picks. And a 50 thousandths tensioner on top of the keyway. Let's go counterclockwise. I'm always going clockwise. Okay, we'll start off with this little nub. See if we can't get something going on here. Nothing in the front, nothing on one. Actually, let's see, one. Yeah, I think two's binding already. A little baby click. 3. Little baby click. 4. Wow, seems to be going on. Okay, I'm coming back out. I already got 1, I think. Yep. Wow. It's like they're in order or something. Almost. 5, 6. Okay, now I'm going to go to this slightly taller one. 2, 3, 5. All the way in the back, it feels like. Yep. That's my counter anyway. Yep. Felt like it's set. Oh, 5, 4, 3. Okay, I got counter here on what? Let me see. 1, 2. Yep. Nice click on 2. 1 again. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 3 feels pretty solid. 4. Alright, so 6, I'm guessing. I'm really sure. 5, 4, 3. Yeah, I think I might have overset something. 3, 5. Let me try to get that. I must have overset. 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, Not feeling it. Stop talking to me. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Huh. Got a slight turn, but there's something monkeying around back there. It doesn't want to play. Doesn't want to play nicely. I think it was 6. I got it to go, I think. 5. 4. 3. Okay, I got some counter right here. I think it's okay. Yeah. Two, 3, 4. Huh. I'm not sure. Right there. Okay. Yeah, I think it was like 3. Something really crunchy there. One. Again. 2. Whoa. It's a little boogery. Huh. Little boogery. Not sure. Okay. Might have been 1 because I just got more of a turn on the core. It feels like I dropped. There we go. Booyah. Beautiful. I think I'll probably be wrong, but it did feel maybe T-pinish, something like that. That was a heck of a lock. Okay, beautiful. Awesome, 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 awesome. All right, let's bring this bad boy down over here. Like so. Should be good. Okay, golly. That was, okay, it's very much open. Oops, fair enough. Guess we can check out the key. Oh, that wasn't hard. Huh. Okay, there's the bitting on the key. I'm gonna very much hope it works. Oh, I'm gonna lock it back up. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You know what? I guess I can leave it in that holder. I don't see why not. Spring. Okay. Don't screw it up, Al. The top of the lock right there. I'm glad that went in there because it did feel like some crazy pins in there, so don't screw this up, buddy. Okay, let's go for it. Alright, we got it. Okay, 6-pinner. Get some pins laid out here. Standard so far on the key pins. I'm kind of surprised because that was a pretty tough lock. But that's right. I've had some stock locks that were pretty tough too, so okay, I don't see nothing done in the core. Nothing done on the core. No mods. Okay. Let's see. Just shim out of there. It's a little different, but okay. Where we at? We're good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like a Christmas tree or something. I hope that's all one piece. Yeah. I mean, that thing's like a... Where am I at? Right there. Oh, we'll get a close-up on them anyways. Golly, there's a lot going on in that pin all by itself. That pin is like 6 pins. Okay, yep, same on number 2. What I'm seeing though is there's like a really small pin like on the end of these, but it's down by the spring. But I guess that would be too small to act as a T-pin anyways like that, so anyways, that's how they were. That's exactly how they were. 3 looks standard. 4 is ooh, yeah, see this one too. It almost looks like it could have done more damage going the other way, but it was in that way. This sticking up like that. That's how it come out. So yeah, I don't know, but I guess the way it's shaped, it can do. Oh yeah, reduced diameter like a T-pin right there in number 5. Yep, different kind of spring again. And the last one is trying to keep them, make sure they don't turn over like that. Okay, that's even serrated on that top part right there. Yeah, I know it took me a minute to get it open, but I don't feel bad at all. That's a heck of a lock. Alright, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't feel anything done to the Bible. No mods in the Bible. Okay. You know what? That one don't have a tag or anything that I can... we'll have to go like this because I like to show that. Lone Wolf lockpicking. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Alright, we're going to go like this. That was sent to me by Chris Aarons. Thank you so much, buddy. I highly appreciate it. It was freaking awesome. The lock says Lone Wolf lockpicking. So thank you. And we'll take a look at these pins real quick here. And get some zoom action a little bit. Not too much. Okay. Key pins, we'll just run through those because they're all standard key pins. Top pins, we've got a I'd almost call that a triple spool, man, because those are, you know, spool like, or you can call it serrated. I'd call it triple spool. This one here, same thing. It's got, well, I'd call that serrated, and it's got a deep serration right here. Number 3 is a standard. 4 is a like I said, this one and that one, they got this little pin like right here, but it was up towards the spring, so whatever. I guess it can do damage either way because it's got this serrated end on it right here and a spool right there. So I mean, that'll kick your butt. And then number 5, T-pin action. Bada boom, bada bang. And then 6, I would call that a double spool. And then it's serrated right here on this working end. Beautiful. Just really nicely made too. All of these are actually. I mean, they're very well made. And then the springs, where am I at? Man, I don't really see a pair to these. I think there's 6 different springs here. Yeah, these 2 look close, 2 and 3, but other than that, I don't see a pair. Anyways, they do vary. Okay, again, Lone Wolf Lockpicking. Thank you so much. And thank you all so much for watching. Big Al signing off.